Hello, I'm just dividing up some red hot pokers. It's got to that time of year. I'm just clipping back this tired looking growth. And what I aim to do is get some more plants off this parent plant. Very, very easy to do. I'm just going to dig out the whole clump, I may as well. These are the main stems, the mother plant, and you can see these are the shoots that kind of run from that main stem in the centre. What I plan to do is dig it all out and take some of these smaller plants off of it. So I put it on my Grow Tropical MK potting bench because it's a lot easier to show you guys from here. So what I'll do is just pull it apart a bit so you can see what's going on here. See which parts we can potentially take. I want two nice big clumps, so I'm going to take a cutting straight down the middle here. I think my potting bench might wobble a bit now. So that's the main plant there. I've got this nice clump here. So what I'm actually going to do is not be too greedy. It's nice to have bigger clumps rather than just one red hot poker on its own. Got a little bit of a root on this one. Got roots on this one. So it's just two smaller plants. Plants grown from seed can take up to 3 years to bloom, whereas these mature examples are ready to bloom. So what I'm going to do is actually, I can only get 2 out of that, plant them in 2 spots in my garden rather than just one. And these smaller divisions that I've taken, we'll be lucky if we see flowers off them next year, but potentially the year after. Keep them in your greenhouse. The smaller ones like these. This could probably just sit behind a shed or something like that until it awakens next year. I found in a mild winter, red hot pokers are pretty much evergreen. So what I've done, put a small amount of compost in the bottom. 2 split divisions off the mature plant, which I'm pretty sure will flower again next year. Flowers from June to September time. These did look really good in the spot in the garden that they were actually in. So my plan is to put them back in a very, very similar location. They do like lots of sun, and they do not like their roots getting too wet, so if you can put them in some kind of raised bed, all is good there. It's a smaller pot for this smaller division. It's got some root on there. I'm pretty sure that will do absolutely fine. So the smaller one will definitely remain in the greenhouse over the winter. But these 2 I'll probably just store in my shed until they kind of awaken next year. The shed does get light in there, so it's not entirely dark. So yeah, they've got the main 2 mature plants here, which will flower next year. This small one, which it could take anything up to 3 years to flower, and potentially these ones also. So yeah, that's not bad. 1 year, and now I have 3 good clumps of red hot poker, and I've got 1 small division here also, which I can potentially give away to my friend Lef, who has just moved to his new house in Cornwall.